Hi guys, welcome back again. This is Katia Valino. If you stumble into this channel, please do me a favor, consider subscribing. We do lots of lifestyle in this channel. So I received an email about makeup, brushes, how it has to alter with the condition of our skin. A lot of people are not aware that your makeup brush could be clogging up your skin and contributing to excess pimples, acne on your skin. However, the things that you also use to clean your makeup brush might not be as sanitized as you would like to, and you're not aware of that. So I will guide you through on the quickest and easiest steps on how to clean your makeup brush and your makeups that you are not supposed to keep for a longer time. Mind you, if you are a makeup artist, every makeup artist should be cleaning their makeup brushes every day. If you wear makeup every day, you should be cleaning your makeup and be sanitizing your brushes every day. So without further ado, I will take you into the things that I use to clean my own makeup. So skincare is not all about what you eat or what you apply on your skin. You need to pay special attention on the applicators that you use to apply your makeup on your skin. So I will just guide you through. Let me show you the things that I use to clean my own makeup equipment. So on this table here, I have my cleaning makeup. One of them is dry and one of them is liquid. This is like a pomade used to clean out your makeup brushes or makeup applicators. Now you can pick up any brand you like, but I just love using this brand. It's called QUO. I don't know how to pronounce that in French. I just call it Quo. I hope this is how it's pronounced. So the first thing we're gonna use, this is the brush that I use to apply my eyeshadow. I did my makeup today. So what I usually do after applying my eyeshadow, I will just use this pomade. And when you are buying these things, make sure that this is antiseptic. So that's one thing you'll be looking for when you're buying your makeup brush, when you're buying your makeup cleansers. And then after rubbing it on this pomade right here, you can see that this is already washing it off. I will use a paper towel to, rub it off. It doesn't have a whole lot of eyeshadow because I wash and I cleanse my brushes every day after applicator. So you want to rub it on the white paper towel until it becomes clear. So this is one way that you can do this. Okay, this is the big brush. The same thing goes. So after each application, you want to use a paper towel and you want to wipe the surface of this so it becomes clean again. And I'll use this brush. I'm also cleaning this brush. This is my powder brush. So you put it over here. You see all the colors goes on top of this cleanser. Also, you will use a paper towel just to wipe it all off. Again, anything that is left on the pomade, you're gonna clean it out and get ready to clean your next makeup. So every night after your makeup, do the same thing. They sanitize your brush and they are dry cleaning agent. So they are like soap, but it's antiseptic. So these two are clean right now. And the next solution I have here is the liquid soap. So you can either use liquid soap to clean even the brush, but I love to use the liquid soap to clean my beauty blender. So I add the liquid soap in the on top of the beauty blender because, yes, make sure the water is lukewarm. You can use cold water or you can use lukewarm water. So you can see that everything is all washed off, and I am going to rinse it out with fresh water. It's easier to do this in the sink, inside the sink, so that you can really get rid of everything in here. And this is all cleaned up. It looks like almost brand new. For this kind of foams, you don't need to keep these for so long. 2 or 3 times you need to replace these, because really after you wash them over and over, look what happens. It begins to crack up and then bacteria tend to trap in this kind of foam. So few times, only 2 times, toss them away. In the dollar store they have reusable ones, which comes I think 10 or 24 in a case for only $1. You can stock up your makeup drawers with this. What you don't really want to keep for over 2 months is mascara, because mascara is really very moist and bacteria tend to grow in there. If you keep on reusing mascara, you might have eye infections. So after a month, make sure you toss away your mascara and replace them with the brand new ones. So guys, thank you guys for your time. All these small little tips, they make a whole lot of sense and they make a whole lot of difference on your skin. Our skin is very sensitive. The skin on our face is 10 times more sensitive than the skin on our entire body. So we must learn how to take care of our skin. Every little thing plays a very important role, as long as it's something you have to apply on your face. So pay attention when you're buying your makeup cleanser. Do not use soap. Soap contains a lot of tallow. Tallow is what makes your skin so dry. So if you use regular soap to wash your skincare, to wash your brushes, the stint from the soap might still be trapped in those brushes, and then when you go ahead and reapply the makeup with the brushes that you use soap to clean, it is going to clog up your pores, causing you pimples and acne and very dull skin. So guys, I'm going to leave you here. Make sure you are subscribed to this channel and share the video. Every little tips makes and goes a very long way. Thank you for your time. I love you guys. Bye.
Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping.